I'll give a quick walkthrough of the script that I put together for fine-tuning base Llama 3 1B model. Looking at the directory structure, there is Llama 3 base folder, which is the folder for the base model files. There is train.json, which is the training data, and there is train.py file. Looking at the train.py file, you'll see that I've used transformers library, and I've also prepared the script to use supervised fine-tuning. Quickly looking at the training data, you'll see that I've prepared the data set into input key and output key. The input key is a standard plain English sentence, and the output is that English sentence converted to a KMM response. But what's a KMM response? So that'll be the task which the model will be trained for. To give you more example, let's say I have an English sentence called hello world. A KMM response or a KMM task will be to convert that English sentence into a URL encoded format. But what's KMM? That's just my initials, tasks that I made up, which I'm going to teach the model using the script that I put together. Now, in order to use this script on your own data, all you have to do is prepare your training data in a valid format, similar to what I have here. To trigger the script, you can simply run Python 3 train.py, and that should launch the training job. But for the purpose of this demo, I'll quit here. And let's look at the fine-tuned model itself. I have both the base model and the previously fine-tuned model served through Llama. Let's first call the base model. Now that the model has loaded, let's start by asking it a sample query. Say convert to KMM response who let the dogs out. We can clearly see that the model doesn't yet know what a KMM response is from the output we are seeing. Now, let's close this, open another tab. Now, let me call the fine-tuned model and ask this exact same query. We can clearly see that the model learned what a KMM response or a KMM task is because the output that's generated is in URL encoded format. That concludes this demo with all you need to know to run the script. Thanks.